At the top of the news hour, a new meteor shower is expected to appear tonight. Remnants of a recent planetary explosion will give everyone a good show all around the world tonight. During the early morning hours, someone hijacked the emergency alert system. Authorities are not sure who it was, but they believe it was a prank. A reminder to all fishermen in the area, now is a good time to make sure your fishing license is renewed. The Trout Derby is on April 1st, and DEC will be cracking down on unlicensed fishermen.
This is your last warning. Do not look at the meteor shower tonight. If you are outside, look away. Bad things are going to happen.
We are outside of our studio, and we are ready to enjoy the meteor shower. Oh, it's starting. Wow, such a beautiful sight. If you aren't outside,
We interrupt our programming. This is a national emergency. Important instructions will follow. This is an emergency action notification. All broadcast and cable systems shall transmit this emergency action notification message. This station has interrupted its regular programming at the request of the White House to participate in the emergency alert system. During this emergency, most stations will remain on the air providing news and information to the public in assigned areas. This is WOCL. We will continue to serve the world of coal. If you are not in this local area, you should tune to stations providing news and information for your local area. You are listening to the emergency alert system serving the world of coal. Do not use your telephone. The telephone line should remain open for emergency use. Do not look at the meteor shower. It has been reported that residents are being frozen in place. Additionally, they have been heard saying that they see dark, disfigured figures eating their flesh before suddenly dying. This is a dangerous and life-threatening situation. If you are outside, you need to move indoors immediately. Close and lock all doors and windows. Turn off all heating and ventilation systems. Move to an interior on the lowest floor of your home or a sturdy building. Close all curtains, and do not let any light in from the outside. Failure to follow these instructions will result in a severe psychological death. The United States government is doing all it can to stop this event. Stay tuned to local media outlets for further information on this developing situation.